The English alphabet. Welcome to English alphabet lesson on Humble Emmanuel YouTube channel. My name is Humble Emmanuel and I am excited to help you learn the English alphabet now. Kaze cyane kuri channel ya Humble Emmanuel, uyu munsi tukaba tugiye kwiga indome zo mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Karibuni sana kwenye channel ya Humble Emmanuel. Leo tujifunze herufi kwa Kiingereza. So now let's get started. The English consists of 26 English letters. Right? In English language, we have 26 English letters. Kwa Kiingereza tuna herufi zifikazo 26. Ina maana kwa ujumla ni herufi 26. Mu rurimi rw'icyongereza dufise indome 26. We have 26 English letters and they are, nazo ni hizi hapa: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I repeat once again. Narudia tena. Ndasubira mu bugira kandi. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? So now we have received 26 English letters. Tumeshaona herufi 26 ambazo tuko nazo kwa Kiingereza. Twamaze kubona indome 26 dufise mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. So now each letter has a unique sound and it can be used to form words. What you have to know, it's very important to know the order of the letters so that you can easily find and use them when you need to. Ni ibintu ngirakamaro yuko mumenya ko izi ndome zose buri rudome rufise ijwi ryago. Ni viza ko umuntu abimenya akamenya n'urutonde rwavyo rw'izi ndome, akamenya urutonde rwazo kugira ngo ushobore kuzimenya kandi unazikoreshe neza mu gihe biba bikenewe. What do I mean? Kila herufi ina sauti ya kipekee na you can use it. Unaweza ukaitumia kwa kuunda maneno. So ni vizuri kujua mpangilio wa hizi herufi ili uweze kuzipata vizuri kwa urahisi na uweze pia kuzitumia unapohitaji. Whenever you need, you have to use these letters after knowing the order, alright? And knowing that each letter has a unique sound. Together? So now, It's time for practice. Ni muda wa kufanya mazoezi, ni mwanya wo kwimenyereza. So let's practice saying the alphabet together. You can say it out loud with me. Aho uri hose uimenyereze gusubiramo izi ndome. So tunaweza kujizoeza kusoma herufi hizi kwa pamoja, na it's better use a voice. Koresha a loud voice, ijwi riri hejuru, kugira ngo uzimenyere neza. Tumia sauti ya juu ili uweze kwenda na mimi kwa kusoma hizi herufi za Kiingereza. Welcome, it's time to make a practice. It's time to read these letters out loud with me. Together, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! Now that you know the English alphabet, you can start practicing spelling and reading words in English. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next lesson. Be blessed. Let's remind ourselves on what you have already seen today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more English content. And if you have any question concerning what we have learned today, please drop your comment. I will be glad to answer.